Hey, I was rocking Ronnie from Wingtastic. Well, what do you think, Ivy? The past, the present, and now the future. What's happening here?
Well, I think it's a great tool because in the past we've used some pliers, which scratches up all your...
Or vice grips, or a wrench.
Well, not me, but you know.
No, someone else. No,
yes,
yeah.
you're right. This
Yeah.
is it's a good tool, but it's not.
Well, it's not conducive for
efficient.
the metal on metal. I mean, you're going to get teeth marks in there. You're going to, you could possibly. So, how's it feel in your hand?
I think it feels great. This
Yeah?
is a sexy tool.
Ooh, all right.
And I'll tell you why, because it's so universal and it works. It just
what
goes
about
with everything.
Like a ball valve? You get that,
See, I would never use this.
Yeah, but
look how easy.
look at
I
that.
didn't even know how to
Right?
open this. I would never even be using this, but
Well, you
I
wouldn't
had to do
anyways.
it.
You'd hire a handyman.
But like I'm sure like a plumber or a handyman or even a single mom, whatever, she use this. Like it's just so easy. I love it. I love your idea. It's a great
Universal
present.
leverage tool.
Yeah, it is. Now that's Wingtastic.